Hey there, Assalamualaikum everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to make that mashallah money as a university student. I talked about saving costs. So if you haven't watched that video, you got to watch that video because that's the base of this video. So watch that video. And then on top of that, we're going to build how to make money while being in university. So you increase your revenue to help pay off that loan faster. Without any further ado, let's get the video started. All right, so we talked about the ways on how you can save your costs. Now it's about how do you increase your revenue. Let's talk about jobs on campus. There's so many jobs on your campus that you'll be shocked. There's so many jobs that don't get filled because students don't know about it. You know, the marketing of those jobs haven't been done properly, or you don't ever even hear about it. Anywho, so first thing you want to do is you want to go to your local career. On your campus, you want to go to your career office. Go to them, ask them first about, is there any jobs that I can do on campus? And then they'll tell you about all the online portals that you can apply from. So that's first place where you can find online on-campus jobs. And because these are on-campus jobs, there's not a lot of transportation you need. There's not a lot of cost of walking from your job to your classroom. And they're very flexible. They'll look at your schedule and they'll be like, okay, fine, you have classes from 8 till 2 p.m. All right, from 3 to 8 p.m. you can come here and work. No problem. And so that's it. So then they'll give you 5-hour shifts every single day. That's about 25-hour shifts. And then sometimes they also have weekend shifts. And then you can make up like 30, 40 hours from it. Not only that, you can take more than one job. You don't necessarily need to just do one job. And you can do jobs which are fun for you. For example, while I was on campus, all the courses that I got good marks for, I became a tutor for it. I became a proctor for them. Not all of them, but 2 of them. And proctor means the guy who walks around, finds all the cheaters. So I caught a lot of cheaters, by the way. That's a different conversation. But focusing on how to make money while being in university, let's talk about, so you can get all these different jobs, and then you can also, on top of it, get off-campus jobs. There's a lot of off-campus companies that come to universities to offer jobs. So you just get those jobs and you can work in those, you can do that. Now, this is if you want to make money while working for somebody. If you want to try to do something interesting, something innovative, some entrepreneurship type of stuff, which I heavily recommend, look at online ways on how to make more money. Just go through my channel. You'll find 100 ways on how to make more money. Maybe not 100, but maybe tens of ways how to make more money online, or other ways than just working. So that's one way of increasing revenue. Find jobs on campus and also find job off campus. So you can, make that quick retention. And just by doing that, you probably can save up enough money to pay off your loan and probably pay off your rent. Because, minimum wage with all that inclusive, you're still making a decent income to kind of continue your education and continue working on the side on the weekends while being in university, and then you have enough time to study. Remember, all the things I'm saying will keep you away from partying and keep you away from all the crap, other BS things that are happening in the universities. And why not? Look, you'll stay away from zina, you'll stay away from partying, you'll stay away from drugs, you'll stay away from everything. And what you're doing really is setting yourself up for success, not only in this dunya, but also in the akhirah. Okay, so let's just say, you understand the whole job concept, right? Go to your local career office. Look at off-campus jobs which are coming to your university. There's a lot of events that happen. Just stay active and just ask the right questions to the career offices and to the guidance and all those different offices around campus. They'll help you out. Trust me, they'll help you out. And talk to your professors on assisting them. And you never know who can come up with a job that you like. Maybe something like $500 a week. All you have to do is take your professor's things, make them into notes, and then like their presentations and make them into notes, and you're making money. There's this way. Second is internships and co-ops. These are very, very important because trust me, this is the way that you could probably make the most bang of your time for your buck. You're a university student. University students get direct access to certain internships. Go for those internships, and I'll tell you why this is more important than you just think. The government usually sponsors these internships. So for example, whatever the company is paying you, they get 50% back from the government because internships are promoted by the government, co-ops and internships. So they want to hire you anyways, and you want a job. And I know it's not that easy to get internships. So you gotta network. You remember when I said you go to the networking events for the food, but now you can also understand the networks that you make there can be converted into jobs. So you study for 2 semesters, and then you can take the summer for internships. Or B, let me tell you something even more smarter. Do not take the summer for internships. Rather, take the summer for courses and take one of the semesters for an internship, 4-month internship. Why? Because the semester time, no one's going for intern. Like your competition for internships are much lower. So why not do that and make more money from it, right? And get the chances of getting an internship much higher. And then leave the courses for the summer. And because in summertime, you can even choose, extensive 2-week program for the course. You can choose morning class. You can choose night class. You can choose 2-month summer courses, 4-month summer courses. So you get all these selections. They're more lenient with the summer courses. And I'll tell you one more thing. Professors don't want to be going through the hassle of the summer courses themselves. They're just there because they need that extra money. And look, you get more one-on-one time with your professors. The classes are smaller also. So it's more worth of your time to be taking summer courses. Your choice at the end of the day. Because there are 2 ways that you can increase revenue. The third way of making money on campus is actually by getting involved with your money-making part of university. What I mean by that is there's incubators. So go to your university's incubators, get involved with them, and start a small startup where you could potentially, one, get the office for free, get space for free, network with a lot of people who are going to help you make businesses, and then also at the same time, do something that's small that the university and your university audience will be benefited. You can start up a small custom socks company. Put the posters up around the university. People will order from you. Facebook, University of 2020, Class of 2020, put the ads up there. Custom shirts, custom blah, something that you think can sell to that audience. And it's easy for you to market it. It's easy money, quick money. You could do it for 4 years. I know a guy that used to do custom shirts. And for 4 years, literally, he made enough, to continue the business, but also pocket some money. And it's great, or B, everybody brings their cars. Do something about cars. Everybody brings, wants to bring food to the university, but no one wants to cook. Start a food business. Something where you think you can quickly and easily start a small business and sell it fast to locally. And I'm not saying something huge. I'm saying something small that you can do quick, fast, like a small food, custom shirts, blah, 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 as you know. So these are ways that you can increase your revenue. So if you take the decreasing of your cost, increasing of your revenue, you get a sum of money. Now, what do we do with this sum of money? This is about the investment. This is about the what do you do with the money and how do you grow it? So I knew people, what they used to do was every year, no matter how much money they made, they would put it into a fund. Usually they would be doing it into a mutual fund or an ETF fund. But I would recommend that you do it yourself, in a sense that you make a halal portfolio for yourself in the stock market and in the crypto market, and you can grow that, right? Your first year amount that you made, if you're not confident with this, just how much ever money that you made, you pay off your first year loan, you pay off your second year loan, you pay off your third year loan, you pay your fourth year loan, and you're done. But if you want to come out in profit like I did, invest your first year money, invest your second year money, invest your third year money, let it compound, and then you'll probably come out with a bigger sum than the loan itself. You pay off the loan, then you have a little bit left. Maybe, put that towards starting your life, starting your career and whatnot. Or B, this is something difficult, but if you're smart enough to do this, find a real estate opportunity where you can invest in it as a pre-construction or like a full construction amount, where you can pay up to 100% over 4 years into a very nice construction overseas. So being a Pakistani, I could find great projects in Pakistan, which I know are going to appreciate over the next 4 or 5 years. I put money into it every single year, the money that I've saved, from working, from cost cutting and revenue generation. And as soon as the 4th year happens and the property is built, the property is launched, you can sell it, and then you can just take that money and boom, you paid off your loan. Plus, you probably have a lot more left, because property appreciates crazy within a few years. Now, but you have to be smart about this. It's very risky, but there's a potential return. Now, because we're dealing with riba on your university student loans, be careful. That's all I can say. Okay. I hope you guys like this video. Take care of yourself. Combine these two videos together and watch my video about co-op networking for job searching. Take this together and trust me, I graduated with no loans. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah, it's a blessing of Rabb on me because I did not want to pay any riba. And above all of this, make dua. You have to make dua. Rabb, help me to pay off these loans before university finishes. I don't want to pay riba, right? So make dua is the most important thing. Cost cutting is the base. Revenue generation is what's on top of it. Combine all this together and you should be good. Hope you guys like this video. Take care of yourself. And as always, Assalamu alaikum. Subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.